Hello everyone. Good morning children. Today we are going to write our workbook activity. I request everyone to take a workbook and take a page number 7. Take a page number 7. That is input and output devices activity number 7. Okay. And mention at today's date 19, 11 and 2020. Okay. In this activity, we are going to split into two columns with the table. One heading is as a input devices, another one is as a output devices. See here, children, make a table. So you need to draw a table with two headings. With the two heading, one is the input device, another one is the output device. Put each of the following 10 items under the correct heading. So we have the 10 list of names here. So based upon those devices, you need to put below to that heading. For example, if it is an input device, keyboard is an input device now. So keyboard needs to come under the input device category. And the plotter is an output device. So it needs to come under the output device category. So draw a table, children. Put input devices and output devices heading and write the related input and output devices. Okay. So consider it as an activity. Try it by yourself, children. Already you have the list of names. Just drawing the table and segregating the names. That's all. Next, turn on next page, children. That is a page number 8. Input and output devices activity number 8. Mention a date 19, 11 and 2020. Here, answer the following below based on the input devices. See here, children, we have a certain tabular column here and we need to fill those requirements. Okay. Here, the first is our input device and second is what does it looks like. That is, we need to insert an image and what is. Next one, we need to give the definition of those devices. What does it do? We need to write the functions of those devices and the good points, that is the advantages. We need to write a few advantages about that devices. And next is a bad point, that is nothing but disadvantages. See here. Already I written here. You just listen. I am going to explain here. The first is a keyboard. You can draw the keyboard image here. And next is a definition. Keyboard is a standard input and operator control device. I am repeating. Standard input and operator control device. Next, a function. It helps to type. Next, advantages. One is quadrille layout and numeric keys. We have a numeric keys, right? So that's why. We don't have any disadvantages with the keyboard. So just put a hyphen. Next, mouse. You can draw the image of the mouse here. Definition. Handheld point. It's a handheld point. And select a device. It is used for selecting. Next, function. Point and select things on the monitor. It's mainly for point and select the things on the monitor. Advantages, mouse button as well as the scroll button. That's why I wrote mouse and scroll button. We don't have any disadvantages. Just put hyphen. Next, joystick. You can draw the image of the joystick here. Definition, rotary lever controller. It's mainly used for gaming industry. So advantages is gaming industry. Function, it will move only within the screen. Disadvantages, we don't have any disadvantage, so just put hyphen. Next, a digitalizing tablet. You can draw the image of the digitalizing tablet here. And next, a function is, it's mainly for pointing a device. And function is, it facilitates accurate input of drawing. It facilitates accurate input of drawing. Next, advantages, trace the outline, coordinates position. It's trace the outline and coordinates the position. So this is the advantage. Disadvantage, we don't have anything. Next is a touch screen. We have the definition, that is a touch sensitive screen. Next, a function enables interaction by touching the screen. By touching the screen, we can interact with the computer. And next is the advantage, direct interaction. We don't have any disadvantage. Next is a light pen. One is a definition is pointing device connected to video. Pointing device connected to video. Video is nothing but visual display unit, another name of monitor. Next function is detects the light from the pen and takes input directly. Okay. And next is the advantage, it directly drawn on the screen. So draw directly on the screen. We have one disadvantage for this children. It is very uncomfortable at time and not accurate as digitalizing tablet. We told that digitalizing tablet is very accurate, but light pen is not accurate when compared to the digitalizing tablet. I request everyone to copy the same in your workbook, and if you want you can draw the image. Okay. Next we are moving to the page number 9, that is the activity number 10 and 9 and 10. Mention a date 19/11/2020. We need to name the output device. The table gives you a description of different output devices. Name the output device that is being described. So we have certain description. Based upon that, we need to give the related answer. Which device produces hard copy? It is useful in situation that needs two copies printing at the same time, but it is rather noisy. So first is a impact printer. First is a impact printer, children. Next, this device produces a hard copy. It has a benefit of producing good quality in color. So what is this non-impact printer? By reading benefit of producing good quality itself, we came to know that it is a non-impact printer. Okay. First is an impact printer, second is a non-impact printer. This output device produces a high quality hard copy very quickly. It has a higher purchase price but cheaper running cost than other high quality printer. It is a plotter, children. So this is a pen plotter. Next one. This is the only output device that can produce a large scale output in color. It is the only option for producing a A3 or larger size architectural drawings and plan. That is a electrostatic plotter. Okay. Third one is a pen plotter and fourth one is a electrostatic plotter. Next is a typical home computer. Name 3 output devices that might you find on a typical home PC. So you can write any 3 output devices name. First one, monitor. You can see monitor, right? And speaker. In home we can use the speakers, right? And next is a printer. We'll use printers also, right? One is a monitor, speaker and printer. A typical home computer. So name 3 output devices means these 3 devices you can find it on a typical home PC. So one is a monitor, speaker and printer. I request everyone to copy the same in your workbook, children. Okay, the first one I am repeating here. The first one, draw the table. Put 2 heading input and output devices. Write those devices name next below to the corresponding heading. Next, write same thing what I written here in your workbook. You can draw the images also. And here, first is the impact printer, second non-impact printer, third pen plotter, fourth is the electrostatic plotter. And three output devices name are monitor, speaker and printer. Children, today I am going to end my session, children. In case any doubt you ask me in the interactive session, I'll solve your doubt, children. Thank you. Bye. Take care, children.